Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Indesit Dishwasher. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content and watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step.
So you will need to follow these steps. First, switch off the dishwasher. The first step to reset your Indesit dishwasher is to turn it off. Locate the on and off button on the control panel, which is usually situated on the front or top of the door, and press it. Then unplug the dishwasher from the wall socket to ensure it is completely off. Wait for at least 1 minute before proceeding to the next step. Second, reset procedure. After waiting for a minute, plug your dishwasher back into the wall socket. Press the on/off button to power it on again. Third, program selection. Now it is time to set the dishwasher cycle setting. Choose any program you usually use. You will typically find the cycle settings on the same panel as the on and off button. In many Indesit models, pressing and holding the start/reset button for approximately 3 seconds should initiate the reset process. You will often hear a long beep indicating that the reset process has been successful. Fourth, compulsion of resetting. Once the dishwasher is reset, allow to run a quick cycle without any dishes to ensure that it is working properly. This will also help to clear out any residue in the machine. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.